Wow, look at all these people here. This outdoor food market is much busier than I expected.
It is. The atmosphere is great, though. Everyone seems so happy, and the smell of all the different foods is making me very hungry.
Me too. I am so glad we decided to come here for lunch today. It is much more interesting than going to a regular restaurant.
I agree. I love the variety. You can get food from all over the world in one place. So, have you seen a food truck that you want to try?
I was looking at that blue one over there. It has a very long line of people, which is usually a very good sign. It's called the Cheesy Melt.
The cheesy melt. That sounds delicious. It looks like they sell gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches. That is the perfect comfort food for a sunny afternoon. Let's go and check out their menu.
Okay, we are here. Wow, that menu looks incredible. There are so many different options. I did not know you could do so many creative things with a simple grilled cheese sandwich.
I know. They all sound so good. Let's read some of them out loud. What's the first one?
The first one is called the Classic. It has cheddar cheese, Swiss cheese, and mozzarella cheese on sourdough bread. A classic combination.
That sounds simple but delicious. The next one is the Veggie Delight. It has provolone cheese, roasted red peppers, spinach, and a pesto sauce. That sounds very fresh.
I like the sound of this one, the Spicy Special. It has pepper jack cheese, jalapenos, and caramelized onions on rye bread. It says it is for people who like a little bit of heat.
And look at this last one, the Sweet Surprise. It has brie cheese, sliced apples, and a drizzle of honey on multigrain bread. That is a very unusual but interesting combination.
I am having a very difficult time making a decision. Every option on that menu sounds amazing.
I know what you mean. It is a tough choice. My heart is telling me to try the Veggie Delight. I love roasted peppers and pesto, so I think my decision is made.
You are very decisive. I am stuck. I am trying to choose between two of them.
Which two are your finalists?
I am torn between the classic because sometimes simple is the best, but I am also very tempted by the spicy special because I love spicy food.
They both sound like great choices for you. The classic is a very safe but delicious option. The spicy special is a little more adventurous. Which one are you leaning towards?
I keep changing my mind every 30 seconds. I need some help. What do you think I should get?
I think they both sound wonderful, so you cannot make a bad choice. But if you really cannot decide, I have a suggestion for you.
Please, I need all the help I can get. What is your suggestion?
Why don't you ask the person working in the food truck for their recommendation? They make these sandwiches all day, every day. They will know which one is the most popular or the most delicious.
That is a brilliant idea. It's always a good idea to trust the expert. I will ask for their opinion. It will help me to make my final decision.
It is our turn to order now. You can go first.
Hello. Your menu looks amazing, but I am having trouble deciding. Could you please help me? I am trying to choose between the classic and the spicy special. Which one would you recommend? Okay, you have convinced me. I will trust the expert's recommendation. I would like to order one spicy special, please.
That sounds like a great choice, David. I think you will really enjoy it.
I am sure I will. Now, I am also looking at your side dishes. The creamy tomato soup sounds like the perfect thing to have with a grilled cheese sandwich.
That is the classic combination, isn't it? A grilled cheese sandwich dipped in hot tomato soup. It reminds me of my childhood.
It does. So I will add a small cup of the creamy tomato soup to my order, please. And to drink, what do you have?
It looks like they have sodas, iced tea, and homemade lemonade.
The homemade lemonade sounds perfect for a warm day like today. So, to confirm, that is one spicy special, one small tomato soup, and one lemonade for me.
That sounds like a delicious and complete meal. Okay, now it is my turn to order.
What did you decide on again? Was it the Veggie Delight?
Yes, that's the one for me. To the server, hello, could I please have one Veggie Delight sandwich?
Are you sure you don't want to ask for a recommendation too?
I am very sure. My mind was made up as soon as I saw the word pesto. Now, I do have one special request, if it is possible.
What is your special request?
The menu says the sandwich comes with provolone cheese, roasted red peppers, spinach, and a pesto sauce. I love all of those things, but I am not a big fan of onions. Does it have onions in it?
Oh, wait. I think I read that the Veggie Delight on the secret menu also had grilled onions.
To the server, I'm sorry, I should have asked first. I see it on the sign now. Is it possible to have the sandwich without the grilled onions, please? Oh, that is wonderful. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. So that is one Veggie Delight with no onions.
Are you going to get a side dish with your sandwich, Emma?
I am very tempted to. The sweet potato fries sound really delicious. I think I will treat myself today. I will add a side of sweet potato fries to my order, please.
Excellent choice. I might have to steal a few of your fries if you are not looking.
I will try to protect them. And to drink, I think I will have a fresh brewed iced tea, please.
That sounds very refreshing.
So to confirm my order, that is one Veggie Delight with no onions, one side of sweet potato fries, and one iced tea.
I think we have both made some excellent choices. I am so hungry now. I cannot wait to eat.
Me too. To the server, That is our complete order. Could you please tell me what the total is for everything? The total for both meals is $32.50.
Okay, 32.50. I will pay for our lunch today, Emma. It's my treat.
Oh, David, that is very generous of you, but you don't have to do that. We can just split the bill.
I insist. You are the one who suggested this fantastic place. Please let me thank you by paying. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. I'll just get the machine for you.
Thank you. And is it possible to leave a tip on the card machine?
Yes, it will give you an option for a tip before you pay. It is very nice of you to pay for lunch, David. Thank you very much. I will pay next time.
It is my pleasure. Okay, I have just paid with my card. The transaction is all complete.
Thank you. Your order number is 27. We will call your number when your food is ready. It should be about 5 to 10 minutes.
Thank you very much. Our order number is 27. We should probably step to the side now so the next people in line can place their order.
Good idea. We can just wait over here. I love that we can watch them cook our food. You can see the whole kitchen inside the truck. It looks very clean and professional.
It does. Look, he is putting my sandwich on the grill now, and she is putting your fries into the fryer. It all looks so fresh.
Order number 27.
That's us. Our food is ready. That was very fast. Here is our food. It looks and smells absolutely incredible. The sandwiches are served in these nice little cardboard trays.
And my sweet potato fries are in a big paper cone. They look so crispy. I am so glad I ordered them. Where should we go to eat?
There are some picnic tables over there, in that grassy area. Let's go and try to find an empty spot.
This table right here is free. It's perfect. It's even a little bit in the shade.
Let's sit down. I cannot wait another second. I am going to try my sandwich first. It is still hot from the grill.
Okay, let's take our first bite at the same time on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, this is the best grilled cheese sandwich I have ever had in my life. The bread is so crispy and the cheese is so melty and spicy. You have to try a bite of mine.
And you have to try mine. The combination of the roasted peppers and the pesto is just perfect. And these sweet potato fries are so good. This was a brilliant lunch idea.